One, two, one, two.
Seagrove made pottery mug, crab pipe, buoy, bobbin, milk jugs. Bunch of holes in the sand where the fiddling crabs dug. Ever smelled in your nose the marsh low tide, where the water rolls out, but we'll be back tonight?